Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to map a network drive in Windows 11 so you can quickly access shared file on your network. First of all, open the File Explorer. You can press Windows plus E, that is shortcut, on your keyboard. Then click on this PC in the left hand menu. You will see this PC. After clicking here, search for Map Network Drive. Click the three dots in the toolbar. As you can see, here is the three dot. After clicking here, select Map Network Drive. After that, assign drive letter and folder. Choose your drive letter you want to assign. In the folder field, type the network path, example server name / folder name. After that, step 4 is to reconnect and credential. After you have filled the drive and the folder, then check reconnect and sign in. If you want it to reconnect automatically, if needed, click finish and enter your network credential. After that, your network drive will now appear in File Explorer under this PC, giving you quick access to shared files. If this helps, like, subscribe and hit the bell for more Windows 11 tips, and I'll see you in the next one.